Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our trade. This 27-foot 270 Boston Whaler Vantage is a 2017. We'll take a look around the outside, look at some of the options, and then we'll go inside. Hull was just detailed. She has fresh bottom paint. Does have the stainless anchor. Take a look back. Boat does have a light bar. Marine radar. Has the FLIR above it. Boat does have a sunshade. It's a manual one. There is a full tonneau cover. Out some sunshine here. 300 Verados. Engine warranty still available on these motors. Some rod holders across the back. Boat does have underwater lights. Boarding ladder. You can see the hull is in excellent condition. Actually, the whole boat's in pretty excellent condition. Let's take the cover off. Go inside. Take a look at this boat. Welcome. As we come into our 2017 27-foot Vantage, we'll see the walk-through transom door with a freshwater shower. This boat is equipped with the summer kitchen, which is a Kenyan electric grill, refrigerator, sink, storage, aft, large fold-down seat. Boat does have the fishing package, which is rod holders. There's a live well under the seat. This table goes on the seat, and table also goes up forward. Table is stored under the helm. Seat, as you know, goes to many positions. Can be a lounge, a backrest. As you can see from the bottom, multiple positions. Boat does have a marine head with an overboard discharge. Head does have a sink. Part of the enclosure in there. Boat does have a enclosure. Up forward, full cushions, cup holders. This boat does have the filler cushion forward. Windlass with a wash down forward. There is a tonneau cover. This boat does have 12-inch Marine VHF, 12-volt USB ports, Mercury, the smart gauges, Fusion stereo, tilt wheel, has the helm seat, which is the bolster style, has the stainless cap on the windshield. Very clean boat. Like I said, it was just detailed. Thank you for taking a look.